Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of long division. Our model problem is 475 divided by 5, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the number within the number, because counting how many groups of 5 are going to go into 475, that will take forever. So we want to divide by the smallest number possible. Only rule is that the number inside the square has to be bigger than the number outside the square. So we cannot start out with 1 digit by 1 digit division, because 5 is bigger than 4, and like I said, the number inside has to be bigger. But we can start out with 2 digit by 1 digit division. 47 is bigger than 5. 47 can be divided by 5. There will be a remainder, but we can start out with 47 divided by 5 because the number is bigger. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count by 5s, and I'm going to count how many groups of 5 go into 47. 5, that's 1 group of 5. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, that's 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. 30, I'm at 6 groups of 5. 35, I'm at 7 groups of 5. 40, I am now at 8 groups of 5. Make that look a little more like a 0. 45, I'm at 9 groups of 5. Now, if I count by 5 again, I'll be at 50, and 50 is too far. We want to get as many groups as we can, groups of 5 as we can, that are within 47. So if I counted by 5 again, I would be too far. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 5 within the number 47. Now, the closest I could get to 47 without going over was 45. So 45 is the number that I have to subtract to find my remainder. The last number you skip counted is what you subtract. The last number you skip counted that didn't end up going past the number. So 47 minus 45 equals 2. So we have a remainder of 2. Next, I'm going to bring down the 5. And now we have to do 25 divided by 5. So here we go. 5, that's 1 group of 5. 10, 2 groups. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. It helps the algorithm. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 within 25. And 25 minus 25 equals 0. So there is no remainder. 475 divided by 5 equals 95. I'm just going to make that 9 a little bigger. 475 divided by 5 equals 95. All right, I'm going to do one more long division problem, and then we're going to call it a video. Do one that's a little more challenging. 999 divided by 9. Actually, I don't know if this is going to be more challenging. So again, starting out, we want to divide by the smallest number possible. And we are looking for the number within the number. So the only rule is I said the rule is that it has to be bigger on the inside than on the outside, but if it's equal, that also works. The number inside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square, and it is equal here. The number is the same. So we're going to do 9 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Hi, thank you for tuning into the video. 9 minus 9 equals 0. There's no remainder. We bring down the 9. Again, 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 9 minus 9 equals 0. We bring down the 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. And there is no remainder. So I didn't do the skip counting because it was just very, very clear. If you count by 9s, 9. That's one group. One group of 9 goes into 9. All right, I'm going to do one more problem that's a little more challenging than that one. And I am going to try to show everybody clearly, because I want everybody to see this clearly. Let me know if it's unclear at any point during the video. All right, one more problem. All right, 9,450 divided by 5. All right, so step 1, we're looking for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest number possible. Only rule is the number inside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. So 9 is bigger than 5. So we can actually start with 1 digit by 1 digit division. So we're going to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 9. We're going to start by counting by 5s. 5, that's one group of 5. 10, that is 2 groups of 5, but we're too far already. We're too far. We're already past 9, so we were only able to get one group of 5 within the number 9. And the closest we could get to 9 without going over was 5. So 5 is what we have to subtract to find our remainder. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So we have a remainder of 4. Now the next step is we have to bring down the next number. So I'm going to bring down the 4 now, and that 4 now becomes 44. So I'm going to count how many groups of 5 go into 44. Here we go. 5, that is one group of 5. 10, 2 groups. 15, 3 groups. 20, 4 groups. 25, 5 groups. 30, I'm at 6 groups of 5. 35, 7 groups. 40, 8 groups. So I ended up counting by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. I was able to get 8 groups of 5 within 40. So 44 divided by 5 equals 8. To find our remainder, we have to subtract the last number that we skip counted. So 44 minus 40. Let me erase all the skip counting down here. (44 minus 40 equals 4. So we have a remainder of 4. Now we're going to bring down the next number. Now I have to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 45. So counting by 5s again. 5, that's one group. hard to see. You know what? Hang on. Hard to see. 5, that's one group of 5. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, that's 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. 30, that's 6 groups of 5. 35, that's 7 groups of 5. 40, we're at 8 groups of 5. And 45, we are at 9 groups of 5. So 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Now we have to subtract 45 minus 45. (45 minus 45 equals 0). Bringing down the 0. Now 5 goes into 0 0 times. You're able to get 0 groups of 5 into 0. 0 take away 0 equals 0. There is no remainder. And we have our final answer. 9,450 divided by 5 equals 1,890. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to hit the like button because it really helps the algorithm. Continue to leave the comments. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.